गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट 1 and 2 function in class 12th CBSE board and G mains. The question are coming from 1 and 2 functions, so we will discuss about this. Okay, so first we have to know about what is the function. Okay, so function is a definite rule. Okay, function is a definite rule or a special type of relation from set A to set B such that every element of the domain or every element of the set A must be related with unique element of set B. Okay, that is every element of the domain related with unique element of the codomain. That is the function. Okay, so function is a special type of relation where every element of the first set is related to unique element of the second set. Okay, first set is called the domain and second set is called the codomain. Okay, then what here it gives, every element of the domain is related. Okay, but not saying all the element of set B. Okay, that means this define two types of function where every element of the set B is also related and some element of the set B is not related. Okay, so there are two types of function, into and onto. Okay, into and onto. If every element of the set B is also related, then it is called the onto function. Okay, onto function means every element of the codomain is also related, then it is called onto function. If at least one element is not related with any element of the codomain, then it is called into function. Okay, into means minimum one element of the codomain is not related with any element of the domain. Okay, so see the pictorial form we are proving in pictorial form. So what is said, every element of domain is related, then there is every element of the domain is related with the some element of the codomain. Therefore here we have taken each element of the domain is related with the each element of the codomain. So this is the no element is vacant here, therefore it is the onto function. Okay, which type of onto? Single element is related to single element, therefore it is called the 1 onto function. Okay, we have taken another example. There also example where every element of the one is related to one, single element related with the single element, but there is one element in the codomain which is not related with any element of the domain, therefore it is called the into function. Which type of into? Single is related to single, 1 1, to 1 1 into function, and this one is 1 1 onto function. Okay, difference understand? Onto means every element of the codomain is related, and into means at least one element is not related to any element, therefore it is called into function, and that is called the onto function. Okay, we have also written there is A is related to 1 and B is also related to 1, but C is related to 2 and 3 element is vacant. That means this is the into function. But which type of into? Many element of the domain related with the unique element of the codomain, therefore this is element many one. So that type of function is called the many one function. Many one into function. Why into? Because 3 is not related to any element. Okay, another example. This is A is related to 1, B is related to 1 and C is related to 2, but there is no element is vacant in here, therefore it is a function. Which type of function? Many related to single element, so many one function, and no element is vacant, therefore it is called the many one onto function. Okay, so there are mainly 4 types of function. Which type of function? 1 1 onto function, 1 1 into function, many one onto function, and many one into function. Okay, what is the difference between onto and into? Onto means every element of the codomain is related, then it is called onto function. when at least one element is not related, then it is called the into function. Okay, understand what is the onto function and into function. Now question is asking in CBSE exam to prove one onto function. Okay, so how to prove one? First we have to study how to prove one function. So what is one? Single element is related to single, then it is called the one. So we take two elements of the codomain. We take two elements of the domain in such a way that codomains are equal. That means this becomes to many one. But when it becomes into one, when A and B are equal, A is related to 1, B is related to 1. Okay, so codomains are equal. But when the domain is also equal, that means A equal to B, if we prove A equal to B, then it becomes one function. Okay, so when we have to prove one function, then we have to take two elements from the domain in such a way that codomains are equal. Okay, take example which comes in the exam question, CBSE. So we have taken there three questions. First we have taken the question, function from real number to real number such that fx is defined as a 2x plus 3. We have to prove this function is onto function. Okay, so take first we prove, we take since solution. Okay, solution, see solution. What we have to, function is defined as a fx is defined as a 2x plus 3 for all x belongs to a real number. Domain and range both are the real number. Okay, so what we have to take for one, we have to take two elements from the domain. So let x1 and x2 be two elements from the domain, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay, we have taken two elements from the domain such that codomains are equal, that means ranges is equal. Then what becomes, so fx1, fx equal to 2x plus 3, so fx1 means 2x1 plus 3 is equal to 2x2 plus 3. Solving this, 3 cancel, so this gives 2x1 is equal to 2x2, or this gives x1 is equal to x2. That means what we have taken, codomains are equal, domains are equal, codomains are equal, then domains is also equal. Therefore function is 1. Okay, for proving 1 we have to take two elements from the domain such that codomains are equal. So when codomains are equal, solving this we can prove domain is also equal. When domain is also equal, that means function is 1. Okay, now see how to prove onto function. What is onto? Onto means every element of the, that means if we take the relation here, that is the relation. Okay, when it is onto, that means if we take any element of the codomain which from which this also exists, that means we take codomain element in such a way that domain is also exists, then it is called the onto function. Okay, so here we take, let y is an element of the codomain such that y is equal to fx. Okay, we have to take this one, then we have to put the values. So y is equal to fx means 2x plus 3, where x is a real number, y is a real number. Okay, then what it gives, x is equal to y minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is value of x, and if y is a real number, then y minus 3 upon 2 is also a real number. It is also a real number. Okay, understand? If we take y is the real number, then y minus 3 upon 2, this is also a real number, that means x exists. When x exists, that means therefore f is onto function. Okay, understand? And when the function is onto, then it is also called the inverse function. This value what last we have taken, we got in the value of x, that value is called the f inverse of y. Okay, this is also written as the f inverse, and f inverse is given by y minus 3 upon 2. So when this exists, when function is 1 1 onto, then f inverse exists. Yeah, function is invertible. So we are studying about the 1 1 onto function, so we can write in this one. For proving 1 1, we have to take two elements from the domain such that codomains are equal, and from this we can find the value of domain is also equal, then function is 1 1. Okay, when we have to prove onto function, then we have to take element from the codomain in such a way that domain, we have to find the value of domain, y equal to fx, and solving this we have to find the value of x. If this x exists for the value of y, then we say that function is onto. Okay, this is the one example. Take another example. Second example is question come in the board exam. F is a real number, f is a function from real number minus 3 to real number minus 1, defined by fx equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So we take this as an example. Okay, function from real number minus 3 to real number minus 1. A function is defined as a fx is defined as a x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Okay, now we have to prove this function is 1 1 onto. For proving 1 1, first see how to prove 1 1 function. What we have to do, take element from the domain. So we have taken, let x1 and x2 are the two elements from the domain. Domain is real number minus 3, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That means ranges are equal. We taken two elements from the domain such that ranges are equal. So what is value of ranges? Fx1 means x1 minus 2 upon x1 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3. Simplify this one to cross multiply. x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3. Okay, simplify this. So this gives x1 x2 minus 3 of x1 minus 2 of x2 plus 6 is equal to x1 x2 minus 3 of x2 minus 2 of x1 plus 6. What gives? x1 x2 cancel by x1 x2, 6 cancel by 6. Okay, x1 is taken as left side and x2 is taken as the right side. So what we gives? Minus 3x1 plus 2x1. Here is minus 2x1, that's a plus. This is minus 2x1, that to 3x2 plus 2x2. Simplify this one, we get minus of x1 equal to minus of x2, or this can be written as a x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to x2, that means function is, therefore f is 1 1. Okay, understand? What we have to take? We have to take two elements from the domain in such that ranges are equal. Simplify this, we can find the x1 is equal to x2, therefore this function is 1 1. Okay, now we have to prove function is onto. What we have to take? We have to take element from the codomain. To let y is the element from the codomain. Codomain means r minus 1. So we take y's element from r minus 1 such that y is equal to fx. Okay, now we have to find the value of x. Every value of y there should be x, then function is onto. So what is the value of x? So y is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Simplify this one. So what we get? Y into x minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, we are finding the value of x, that means therefore we have to take x in the left side. So y into x minus x is equal to, there is minus, to right side plus, to 3y minus 2. Okay, simplify this one. So x is common, that becomes to y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. So the value of x is 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. See here, since y is r minus 1, therefore this is also a real number. Okay, this is a rational number. Rational number means denominator is not equal to 0, therefore it always becomes to real number. That means this exists. Okay, when this exists, therefore function is fx is onto. Okay, we have to see when we are finding the codomain element x. So when we get the last result x is equal to this, so we have to see this exists or not. If there is given y is the real number, only real number, then this doesn't exist. Why? Because denominator becomes to 0 when y is equal to 1. Where? But here is given real number minus 1. That means this exists. That is a real number with respect to this value of y. Therefore function is onto. When the function is 1 1 and onto, then f inverse exists. Hence f inverse exists, and the value of f inverse of y is equal to this value, 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. Okay, in this way we can prove any function is 1 1 onto. How to prove 1 1 onto? That is a simple way to proving any function is 1 1 onto. Okay, take one more example. Taking one more example. Okay, see one more example. One more example here. From real number to 5 minus infinity, 5 minus 5 to infinity, defined by 9x square plus 6x minus 5. All these questions are asked in CBSE board exam, class 12th board exam. Okay, see, function from f is a function from r positive to minus 5 to infinity, defined by fx is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, now we have to prove this function is 1 1 onto or invertible. So again, for 1 1, what we have to take? Two elements from the domain. That means let x1 x2 be the two elements from the r positive. Domain is r positive, therefore we have taken two elements from the domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That means ranges are equal. Okay, replace the values. F of x1 means 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equal to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Okay, 5 is cancelled by 5. Replace the values here. So this gives 9x1 square minus 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 is equal to 0. Okay, what we get here? 9 is common, that means x1 square minus x2 square. 6 is common, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Okay, What is this gives? This gives a square minus b square. That means a minus b into a plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. What we see here, x1 minus x2 into 9 of this is equal to 0. So since this becomes either x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or 9x1 plus 9x2 plus 6 is equal to 0. But what we have taken, x1 and x2 is the R positive. R positive means this is the positive numbers. So sum of positive number never becomes to 0. Okay, this never become to 0. Why? Since x1 and x2 both are the positive number. When a positive number, to sum of the positive numbers never becomes to 0. Okay, therefore what we get, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So this gives x1 is equal to x2. Okay, therefore function is 1 1. Okay, understand? In this way we have to prove. See what we have taken, and this gives, if this is the real number, then it is not 1 1. Why? Here it gives x1 is equal to x2, and this gives x1 is equal to x minus of x2 minus 2, which is not possible. Okay, understand now? Now take onto function. How to prove onto? For this we have to take element from the codomain. So let y is an element of minus 5 to infinity such that y is equal to fx, and we have to find the value of x. So what this gives? So y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. To simplify this, we get 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus y is equal to 0. What we have to do? We have to find the value of x. That means this is a quadratic equation. So we simplify by quadratic equation. So quadratic equation solution is given by x is equal to minus b, that means minus 6 plus minus square root of b square, 6 is a 36, minus 4ac, to 4 into 9 into minus of this, to minus minus plus 5 plus y divided by 2a. 2a means 9, so 2 9 ya 36, 9 2 ja 18, 36 here, 36 here, so 36 common, that means 6 common, so 6 6 cancel it, so it becomes under root, this becomes under root y plus 5 plus 1, that means y plus 6, and this is minus 6 minus 1, we divided 6 here, so this becomes by 3, under root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3, that is the value of x. If we simplify this, we get this one. Okay, simplify this one, so we get this one, 5 plus y 36, 36, 36 whole common, that means 6 6 6 cancelled here, so this becomes minus 1, and that becomes y 5 plus y plus 1, that means y plus 6. Okay, this exists or not? This is denominator is 0 3, that means this is always exist. Under root values, under root exists if this must be greater or equal than 0. Okay, this must be greater than 0. So what we see here, the value of y is minus 5 to infinity, that means this is always greater than value minus 6, but this is value of minus 5, that means this always that exists. Okay, this value, the value of x exists, therefore f is onto function, f onto, hence f inverse of y is given by under root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3, that is the f inverse values. Okay, so in this way we have to prove. What we have to take, we have to take first, when we are taking the 1 1, then we have to take the element from the domain such that codomain ranges are equal, and we find the value of x1 is equal to x2. When x1 is equal to x2, then it is 1 1. Okay, in this way we prove 1 1. For onto function, we have to take the element from the codomain. We have taken the element from the codomain such that domain exists. So therefore we have to find the value of x in terms of y. When the value of x in terms of y we get, we have to check it exists or not with respect to the value of y. If exists, then it is onto. If doesn't exist, if let we take y belongs to -7 to infinity. -7 to infinity, that means -7 plus 6, that becomes to -1, whose value doesn't exist. Therefore, if this value is given as a -7 to infinity, then that doesn't exist. The value of x doesn't exist. So function is not onto. But here we have taken -5 to infinity, therefore it is exists and function is onto. Okay. So in this way we can prove. So you try more questions and solve the questions. Okay. Thank you.